In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter N. To write the capital letter N, we start with a vertical line, then a slanting line from the top going down, and end it with a vertical line, like this. A lowercase n is written with a small vertical line. Go back up, curve right and bring it down like this. Let's see that one more time. A capital letter N. A small letter n. Let's learn the phonetic sound of N. N makes the sound as in newspaper. My father reads the newspaper every day. As in night. We see the moon and stars at night. As in noodles. Noodles with soup tastes yummy. As in nest. The birds build nests to lay eggs. As in net. The fisherman cast his net to catch fish. Let's look at all the words one more time. Newspaper, night, noodles, nest, net. Nice.